Westermans here with a machine being sold as is to a customer. I did say, and normally say, we won't run it when it's as is, but truthfully I do like to make sure the machines actually do work before shipped out. This is a 500 kilo Wicon, made in Turkey. It's got a pendant control and a foot control. We used to be main importers for these, so they are a good machine. The chuck on top has actually got the jaws missing, but I've already explained to the customer. Okay, so foot control on and off, and rotation. Clockwise, do the switch. Anti-clockwise. The variable speed is on the pendant, which I'll go and do the pendant at the same time as doing the table. Variable speed. Now, one last quick final test to make sure. Tilt up, tilt down. Obviously you can also control this positioner from the pendant if you wish. Tilt up, tilt down, tilting down. Like I say, this is supplied as is, but we do give the option for fully serviced, which is obviously more expensive, but comes with peace of mind with warranty. But now and again we do supply machines as is, just to keep the cost down if you're on a tight budget. So tilt to the vertical and horizontal. Limit switches on both ways. The cables probably do with a bit of a tidy up. Machine could do with a clean and a grease, but overall general condition is 7 out of 10. This machine will now be palletized and sent off or collected. Quick look inside. Manual also inside the machine. Emergency stop on both sides. Like I say, Wicon, nice machine. More details can be found on Westermans.com for other welding positioners like this and bigger, either supplied as is or fully serviced. We also offer a new with a range of positioners, rotators, welding machines, plasma generators, laser welders, spot welders, new and used. So please have a look at Westermans.com or email welding@Westermans for more details. Thank you for looking.